Breaking news in the craft industry, especially for those who crochet and especially for those who love Joann fabrics. They might have closed, but it ain't over. This is absolutely huge news for crafters. Okay, Michael's Craft Store has acquired Joann Fabrics intellectual property and private label brand rights, including the big twists. So even though Joann Fabrics has closed, you can still get your yarn soon, especially for all you guys who love that chunky yarn. So according to their website, Michael's will be expanding their fabric, sewing, and yarn assortments by adding more than 600 products, including loops and threads. Their yarn assortment is going to be growing by 25%. So starting this month, Michael's is going to be offering over 60 new loops and threads yarns in stores and online. And this summer, yarn brands like Bernat, Lion Brand, Red Heart will also be available. Their website also says that they're going to have Big Twist Value Plus, Big Twist Twinkle, Big Twist Posh, and Big Twist Baby Bear. That will be available online later and in stores later on this year. So I don't know about you guys, but this is huge news. Everybody's been freaking out about Everybody's been freaking out about Joann Fabrics closing. Here you go, Michael saved the day. So definitely go look it up, check their website, it's on there. This is huge news and I'm so happy for all you people who use the chunky yarn. This is your day. Anyways, that's it. I just had to share this with you guys. I was scrolling on Facebook and saw this and my mind got blown and I ran over here to share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and this information and do with it what you will.